The baby has been unleashed. The whoa. Butter, butter, butter.
That's not even artsy.
Butter, butter, butter. Yeah, it is.
Butter.
All our ingredients. That's where the magic happens. Okay, dog. Now we have to preheat the oven to 375.
Big.
375.
Ratchet nails.
Where's our mixer? So this is the butter.
Look how smooth that is. Oh, I thought you were gonna lick it. The next step is to add sugar.
Sugars.
Sugar.
So we got the white one and the browner one. We got the white. We just need to mix it. Oh shit. Did they say to mix it?
Cream it.
Is it the same thing?
Honestly. No, it's not, but it doesn't matter.
Add in egg and vanilla mix. They said after that, after you cream it. So this is, I'm just gonna cream it. Whatever the hell that means.
That's chunky.
Okay, do you wanna just stop recording until we figure it out?
Okay.
That's actually like frosting. Okay. Ooh. Add in sound effect. And
2 teaspoons of vanilla. We got imitation vanilla.
okay, that's good enough.
Nice. Now we need,
Measure dry ingredients.
so put in like the
Flour,
flour.
salt, baking soda. Alright. Flour. Half. Okay. Wait, wasn't it supposed to go in there?
Yeah, but it's fine. It's all gonna be mixed anyway.
Okay. Okay.
1 teaspoon of
That's the fun stuff.
That looks like baby chicken
What?
pasta.
Sure. I don't know what type of baby chicken pasta.
No, it looks like embryos of stuff. I don't even know, man. This looks freaking weird.
It looks like guts.
Yeah.
We'll just bake it for 15 minutes.
The harder the better.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
What's on your hand?
Shut up, man.
What's on your hand?
Shut up.
I got my eye on you.
Oh, hell no.
That's looking pretty good. Next up.
Chocolate chip.
Heck yeah.
Yo, you get my man hands. Oh, yeah.
Do you want to build a cookie, man?
Hells yeah.
You're already doing it. It's a lot of chocolate chips.
Do you guys actually want to build a cookie man?
Should we?
Yeah, let's build a cookie man.
What are we gonna name him?
Cookie Monster? Or you want to name it Toll House? Oh, Nestle!
Nestle.
I'm pretty sure that looks a bit weird. Alright. So now what? It needs arms? Nestle!
Nestle's arms are thick.
Oh yeah!
So we got our cookie dough in, and Now we're just gonna transfer that into there. You know we could just use our hands.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That cookie dough.
Okay.
Alright, now we wait.
They're done. Even though they don't look like cookies.